So we've been hearing these weird noises. It's probably just a bird or something, but it sounds like a Dilophosaurus.
It's saying.
This is probably stupid going into the forest, but whatever.
Be on guard.
Yeah, be on guard to get acid spit at you. Yeah. There's spiderwebs this way. Let's go the other way. Okay. I have a Nerf gun for some reason.
Probably be armed with a little bit, something a little bit stronger, like a club or something.
Yeah, let's go get some bats. So we're going back into the forest and see if we can hear it again. It stopped, but
I don't know what it is. I've never heard it. I've lived in this neck of the woods for all my life. I have no idea what it is.
there's his house. Got a bat. Yeah.
Oh.
Just in case.
You see?
That's the bridge.
Just in case.
Yeah, I don't think it can hide down there. Well, I mean, maybe it could. So earlier we heard thuds by behind his house. And yeah. So there's a spider. Look, there's a spider. Hey, he put the spider web away. Okay.
Been in the woods, but we didn't hear it while we were out there. There's plenty of birds, plenty of fish outside the forest and through the spiderweb.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah. The thing is, if we don't see something, well, then people will think it's real. But if we do see something, everyone will think it's fake. So, yeah, we're just filming this because, well, if people think it's real, then we caught something. But if people think it's fake, then they just think we have good special effects. So, whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm tired.
You know, gotta say, I wasn't expecting to hear something like that. Ugh.
What? Oh, that's just a leaf hanging from...
Yeah.
a floating leaf. No. It's just a hanging from spiderweb. I don't think you can understand English. What was that for? Why'd you hit the tree? Whatever that is. The tiny tree trunk.
It's where Dead played timber with it.
Oh. Ugh.
I swear, if that thing comes at us, we gotta report it. Please don't tell me that. Is this me or did it just get darker? You shine it to one side, I'll shine it to the other.
Oh, that's because I shined to behind you. That's why. That's why it felt like it got darker. Okay, we've been filming for 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Go until we
I mean, well, I mean, if you count the other footage that I filmed before, then it's probably like 3 minutes or 4. Huh? There's a flower. No, that's not a flower. That's a leaf.
Nice. It's maybe in vain, but...
Are you fine with this being on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
It is fine. I would need to be broadcast into the world anyway.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay. Good old US of A. Hearing weird noises. See, it stopped. I wish it would have been recording when we heard it. I might have gotten a little bit of it earlier. Oh. I heard it from that direction.
So did I.
Then I heard like branches breaking from that direction.
It could have us forming for all we know.
I'm 14, but I'm still scared a little. even though I'm with someone else. Usually if there's more, well, maybe if there were 4 people here, I wouldn't be as scared.
I'm pretty scared too. I'm fully scared.
What is this? Oh, that's just,
It's a dog.
okay, that's a dog. What if it was just a dog making weird noises?
That'd be funny. But
It's a weird dog if
I
you
don't
make
feel
those
safe
noises.
either, even though I'm like a trained baseball player. I can swing a bat.
What kind of a dog can make... What was that? I probably just fell off a tree. I mean, I'm pretty sure Dilophosauruses don't throw stuff at you. Hopefully. And what kind of dog makes Dilophosaurus noises? Probably some weird bird. Why didn't I record it? So it sounded like the Dilophosaurus noises from Jurassic Park. I mean, those might not be accurate. I mean, it's just a movie, so they probably used noises from birds. So who knows what we heard? And I wasn't able to record it, so
Well,
at least I have content for YouTube now. Here's the rope for swinging on.
Are you still filming?
Huh? Yeah.
Like, why not look down here? Sometimes down with the hiding.
This is a swinging rope. Usually we pull it up that hill and swing down.
What was that?
I don't know. So we heard the thuds around this area, like behind the house. The forest goes like all the way like around the house and stuff. Almost all the way. Okay, that was just someone in the room that wasn't from outside. Did you touch the rope? Or is it just moving on its own? Wait, shine a light on it so you can see it. Let's go back up. Yeah, actually I think that's probably the window. Maybe I touched it, I can't remember.
I didn't touch it.
I don't think I did either. Okay.
I didn't feel any wind.
Oh.
Run.
Nah.
I heard a rustle. Just.
Yeah, I heard a rustle too. Russell. Russell's a name. Russell.
That was freaky.
Yeah.
That was.
So we were hearing it from like over there. That direction.
I was hearing it in 3 different places. I don't
Like,
know.
I was, yeah, about 3 different directions.
One over there, one center, and then one over there.
There's like one there, and one there. And that's the forest where you can't see it that good. Can you shine your light up there?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's not helping that much, but well, that's probably enough content for a day.